In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your organization logo in Zoho Books. Adding your logo gives your invoices, estimates, and customer communications a professional, consistent look, and the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way. Once you're in Zoho Books, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This opens your main settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Branding. The Branding section is where you control the visual identity of your documents, including the logo that appears on your PDFs and emails. On the Branding page, you'll see the option to upload your organization logo. Click Upload, and a file picker will open. Browse your computer for your logo file, select it, and confirm. Zoho Books will upload the image and place it in your branding immediately. You should see the logo appear in the preview area, replacing any placeholder graphic that was there before. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips to make sure your logo looks its best. Use a clear, high-resolution image so it stays sharp on PDFs and when viewed on different screens. A PNG file with a transparent background often works well, and a JPG can also be fine if that's what you have. If your logo looks tiny or fuzzy, try a version with higher resolution. If it appears cramped or cut off, add a bit of padding around the edges in your design file before uploading so it sits comfortably in the available space. Keep your brand colors in mind too. If your logo is very light, it may look faint on light templates. A version with a slightly darker outline can help with readability. Similarly, avoid overly large file sizes so documents load quickly when your customers view them online. If you're part of a team, remember you may need permission to change branding. If you don't see branding under the gear icon, check with your administrator. And if you manage more than one organization in Zoho Books, make sure you're in the right one before you upload, so the logo applies where you expect. To recap briefly, click the gear icon at the top right, select Branding, hit Upload, and choose your logo from your computer. Once it appears in the preview, your documents will reflect your branding going forward. That's all you need to confidently present a polished, on-brand experience to your customers.